Today is an exciting day. Ezenwa is coming home.
Yes.
From Enugu Airport
Nigeria, bye-bye.
to Addis Ababa.
No. This airport.
Ezenwa is coming back. And I'm here with Chucky. Let's see when he will come out. And there he is. Chucky is back.
Yes.
Feeling cold.
Very cold. Ezenwa is back.
Ooh. Huh?
Back to the base.
Back to the cold.
Back to the cold. Oh, you.
And once at home, Ezenwa had to do first things first.
Still 8.
Go again. Maybe you made a mistake. Measuring how much weight he gained.
Before I checked was 82, 83.
Then you went
8.83. So I went to pee.
He went to wee.
Remove some liter from my body.
Let's see.
Again now.
Maybe without the shoes. How much?
8.4.
So how much did you piece out?
I piece out maybe like half a liter.
Remove your shirt, remove your trousers, maybe another. That one is private, chief.
If I should remove it.
Maybe 1 kg will go.
Yes, that one for sure. I make my one.
But you're not wearing your chieftaincy cap. That one will add another 500 grams.
Who knows? Maybe, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, kita.
The struggle of coming home.
Kita. Yeah,
Chief,
huh?
he's chasing Chucky.
Kita got around there. Come on, them up. But if you move my nature, snap it. Let me. I'm going to say a shoe. Who's a shoe? I think you back. Banyan. Banana.
It's stubborn like you.
Where got Bluetooth?
You know now, Bluetooth in his soft.
His cross is still there. But his grave is getting
Flat.
flat.
We have to do memorial.
Yes. To find a stone. Motorize it.
Dog is crazy. Don't want to get my shoe. One, so just to show you the problem of coming home after what? 1 month. The Sophia enjoyment. Obesity where? Training starts.
Nkwobi. Anụsụ.
Mmanya.
Anụ nchi.
Mmanya.
Ya nkwenu na mmanya whiskey.
Gouda.
Gouda. The man can say, make a Gouda now.
Okay.
Yes, it's my father's brand. And that is the brand I started beer with. Gouda. Gouda from that.
19 Brigidi.
I got a Gouda.
Number one.
Yes, I didn't drink much. I didn't even drink Gouda this time.
Okay.
Yeah, so just whiskey and then red wine.
See, me, I'm making dry January. No Maya.
Yes, and then miri.
Miri didn't give you a for.
Miri. One of my fucker man, all my ngabase, obasi ni me.
Yeah, y'all. Chief, it's
Yeah.
good to be back.
So,
This
this
Akma, hey! You're on TV.
Yes, go.